Hey, what's up you again, guys? This is Paul from Maharlikans Code, and I'm a web developer, programmer by profession. I'm here, I'm from the Philippines, but working here in Singapore as a software engineer. And today, we will be continuing our tutorial series regarding this Gokopy, which is a very lightweight software to a very lightweight backup software for our files. So this is very important because we can save and cut cost our expenses regarding buying or purchasing some of very expensive backup file softwares out there. So for today, we'll walk through with you guys regarding this installing about the we call it Cobra. So this is a Cobra CLI. CLI is a command line interface. So earlier, as our finished product is we have a command line interface that we can run this Gokopy software, which is written from using Golang programming language. And today we will start installing the necessary tools that we need for us to have a CLI program which can accept commands and all these things, so we can just type in our command prompt or in our console, then we can just execute this program that we are about to build in this series. So stay tuned, guys, and we will walk through and we just jump into it. Okay, welcome back again, guys. So this is it. I prepared for you the main.go, which is the folder that we are working now. Is the what they call this Maharlikans code on the C drive, then Gokopy directory. So right now we have a bare main.go with an empty files with the main empty code in it. So right now we would like to install the Cobra Cobra CLI tools for us to do the command line interface type of programming. So we head over first to the the Cobra. Right now you just search with this link, github.com/spf13/cobra. So this is it, guys. These are all the open source packages written in pure Go, and then they call it the Cobra. So these are all the logo here. Cobra is great for CLI applications, and then like the Kubernetes, Hugo, and GitHub CLI itself. So this Cobra package is very popular, and we try to use this command line interface. There's a lot of command line interface out there for that written in pure Go also, but this one is stand out the rest of them. But right now we try to use this because this is a very good CLI application. As you can see, there is an example here, like this Hugo is your application name, and then this one is your command line or something like that, and then your flags, and then the value in it, so you can just specify. Okay, so right now the installation part, we scroll over to the below. In Go, guys, there is a go get. This is the command built in Go. Once you install the Golang programming language, there is a built-in command for go get. This is one of the built-in command. This is the get, to get any packages online, or especially in the GitHub or any other sources, or for your website also. If you have the the package written there, then you just grab and download to your Golang project locally. So right now the instruction is here. You just go get Okay, I copy, and then I head over to my Go. But before that, I need to, as you can see, we need to write for the package, and then main. Always this is the syntax, guys. And then func main, all small letter, and then space. There is a bracket, something like that first, and then I need to initialize the thing. Right now we are using the Golang module. This is the new features. I think last year they implemented this. This is the future of Golang. We always use the Go module. That means that we are versioning our applications. Or later part, I will show you how it will work, because this is more on the versioning side of any packages that you are going to use. Just like this Cobra, we are trying to use whatever the latest or the old version. It depends on your application that currently using. So, or you need the specific version of a certain package that you use in your application, then you can stick to that version or application, guys. So right now we need to install this. Right now I just execute the go multi-id first, because I want to clean up everything. Now I don't have CLS to clear everything. Then go mode, I need to create the initialize. This is the syntax, guys. Go mode init, go mode init, and then the package name. Right now we want to name this as a Gokopy. When you specify like this, is remember, guys, this is a local name only. But if you specify like if you have a GitHub account, github.com/ like your GitHub account here, your account, for example Maharlikans code / something like that. If this project is you intend to publish on your GitHub, or like you want to publish this as a package. But later on, guys, I will show you and demonstrate with another tutorial how to create the package in Go, and then we can reuse this. You know what I mean is the package means that you can reuse these functions or this small or chunk of programs or components that you can reuse all over again. Like for example, the common functions that you are going to use, we publish it on GitHub, or it's up to you. It's either a private or a public, but usually we open it on the public. It's easy for us, and it's a code sharing also as well. So this is the thing, guys. So if you want to publish this Golang, this our project right now, you need to specify go mode init to is like this. I just enter. Right now, as you can see, there is a go.mode file has been created by Golang itself. So right now the module is github.com/ Maharlikans code, then Gokopy, and then the current version of your Golang is a Go 1.15. Right now this is our latest Golang versions out there as of this tutorial has been recorded. So this is the specification, guys. But right now we work locally on this Gokopy. This Gokopy, you only do this when you creating a package. When you are creating a package that is that can be reusable. Right now, this is our main project. This is our main application. We don't need this GitHub Maharlikans Gokopy like this to be published there, because this is a main project. And then if you have chunks of components of this, like copying, deleting, is something like that, these are common operations, then we can publish. Don't worry, I will illustrate to you in our next series of Maharlikans code. Right now I don't need this. I just want the Gokopy module name by itself only. So right now I will delete this go mode, and then it's now deleted. Again, I will execute go mode, initialize. This is a one time only, guys, one time command. Then I will write Gokopy. So the module has been created again. Go.mode. Again, as you can see, is a localized application. That means this is the main application of our project, of our Golang project. So right now I close this. Right now we need to install. Earlier I copy this, the Cobra, then I press enter, go get upgrade. The U there is means -u. It means this is the up. Automatically it will upgrade if you have already downloaded certain package like this Cobra package. Previously I already installed, so right now there is a conflict with the modules there, because I already installed in the certain directory of this Golang. This is the Golang project directory. Yeah, go under the Go pkg is a package, then mode, then github.com, and then slash the spf. You see, as you can see, there is a versioning there, guys. Cobra at v1.00. Something like that. So that means there is a existing package I already installed, because I use it all the time prior to this tutorial series. But if you don't have anything there, it will just install straightforward. No worries, guys. So right now I just CLS to clear everything, and then that means I can straight away use the Golang. Right now the example is you need to import the Golang there. Okay, this is the getting started. As you can see, this is the ideal structure for, or recommended structure for, the Cobra based application. So there is your application name, which is the Gokopy, and then we need the directory which is called the cmd. All your cmd files, all your command files, for anything you need to have a command, you all put it here under the cmd directory. As you can see, there is a add.go, your.go commands, everything you put under the cmd, because the Cobra itself is reading inside this cmd folder only. This is the standard naming convention for the Cobra application. So right now we follow this. Only the outside is the main.go only, and then there is a cmd folder. So right now we're going to do that. As you can see, there is a main.go, and then we need to create a new folder here called the cmd, and then in the cmd there is root.go. root.go. This root.go is for the CLI, for the Cobra CLI. It's like equivalent of the main.go file for this. So right now is all bare one, no nothing. Right now we need to import the the main use as the stated in the documentation here. In Cobra, typically the main.go file is very bare. It serves one purpose only, to initialize the Cobra. That means they give this command here, this script. So we just copy this. Okay, I copy. Or you can copy also. Just to illustrate, I just paste. Okay, this means as a part of your Go project, Go up. That means our name is a Gokopy, as stated in our Go mode. This is the Go mode here, Gokopy. You just follow exactly, and then the slash is the cmd, which is the under the Gokopy. There is a cmd folder that we have just created. So right now I save this, and then this is the command for the cmd, and then the execute. Right now the root our root is nothing there, so we head over again to the to what they call this line. There is a script here that they provide for the root.go, so we'll just copy and then I will paste it here. Okay, hold on guys. Right now we cannot just copy this. Hold on, I need to write this package cmd, because everything that you write, just for example this one, the cmd, right? The cmd itself is another package. They call it the cmd, and then you write as a cmd here, whatever in the directory, and then you put the cmd folder, and then package name is all the same, should be the same. Or you can also write another name, but it's not ideal for Go. It's not a Go way. Okay, so package cmd, and then we're going to copy whatever I have. I just copy and save this. So I already saved, guys. Right now, as you can see, I've noticed the import is missing. It's not auto because we don't have the we never execute the go mode vendor. So right now we need to execute this vendor. This vendor is very useful. Go mode. Mode means module, and then another command, the parameter is the vendor. This vendor will collect all the necessary packages that our application use. Right now we are using the Cobra application, the CLI application, the Cobra package. Right now, if you execute this command, the Golang itself will collect all these sources from, for example, this Cobra is sourced from the GitHub itself. So right now I execute this go mode and press enter. Right now is no dependency yet, because right now I think I need to refresh. Hold on guys. Okay, I need to reload the editor, because right now I cannot detect sometimes the Go PLS is hanging there. I think so. Then it cannot capture. I see as all red color, undeclared names. So right now I need to execute go mode. I need to clear all the thing first. Go mode ID. Go mode ID is to clean up all the previous packages, and then you execute again the go mode vendor. As you can see, there is cannot detect. Hold on guys. Okay guys, I need to import all the necessary things. Right now the editor is not showing. Okay, hold on guys, so maybe we can just manually do it. Manual import, and then we call it the fmt, and then because we are using the fmt here, whatever we need to use, we use the fmt here, and then import os, and then another one is the GitHub /spf 13 Cobra. So I save it. Right now the Go PLS is now running, guys. So I need to go mode vendor again. Now yeah, correct guys. Now it's okay. Sometimes the Go PLS, as you can see, there is a pop-up there, something. If you never see this, that means the Go PLS is not running. The Go PLS is the one that is getting all the automatic imports, all the code hints when you press dot here. As you can see, there is IntelliSense something. Right now, I pasted this, but as you can see, need to align all these necessary things. This is from the demo itself. So just to illustrate to you guys, as you can see, when we execute the go mode command, there is a the vendor folder was being created here. All it will collect all, as I told you earlier, it collects everything from this file, and no need for you to remove this. This is all auto managed by Golang itself. And then the GitHub, it will auto create this folder and all the necessary packages that you are using for this project, or every Golang projects that you have. Right now the SPF 13 is here. All the necessary packages that we collected from the go mode vendor commands. So all of these things, guys, has been downloaded from the GitHub of the SPF 13 Cobra here. And then as you can see in your vendor folder, it has been there. And then as you go along with your go mode, as you can see earlier, there's no need, we never see this require. This is Golang's very good project. I mean, this go mode is very good in versioning, guys. If this SPF author here, the Cobra there, if they release something again, like version 2 or version 1.1 or 1.2, then if you execute that command which I show you earlier, the this one, go get, and then there is a parameter here which is -u, sorry, and then github.com. This, if there is a latest release version, as you can see in the GitHub here, if there is a release, where's the new release? Sorry guys, if there is a new release, here is the latest one, is a 1.1. Yeah, we are getting the latest version of Cobra. So okay, so now we collected, guys, so we need to execute this command. You see all the go sum also was been created. No need to touch everything here. These are all managed by Golang itself. So right now we are focusing on this, how to run this Cobra to see if it's really working from the example from the GitHub source there. So right now we need to try to build this. Go build. Yeah, it's building, guys. Now it's no error. If you cannot see any messages when they go build, there is no message something like successfully built. It's just a plain empty, so simple one. But if there is a error there, it will throw errors here. It will not build. It will not proceed to build your application unless you all corrected all the syntax error or whatever there. Right now there is another file was created, which is the Gokopy.exe. Now as you can see, this is a CLI application. Right now I already prepared for you the thing. So the Maharlikans code, you just go to the directory there. This is the Maharlikans code. This is my working directory. There is a exe here, executable. So I just go copy, then execute. As you can see, there nothing there. You cannot see anything from the example. So what we can do is just to show something, this message here, like we change this. Okay, we change this to go copy, and then something just to illustrate to you guys. Right now I need this command. You need the this line here. We can just if you want to execute this, by the way, you just put something like that just to illustrate, because right now they put blank. We put fmt, then hello Cobra CLI application. Okay, and then we try to build again. Then you just rerun. As you can see, there is a hello Cobra CLI application there. That means this Cobra application is working, and now this Cobra has been set up, but we don't have the commands yet. This is a plain simple application. Okay guys, so if you try to go copy and then -h, yeah, there is, I see there is all the built-in one, -h or Gokopy dash help also. You can try. As you can see, the applications are here, the short and the long description. The short description is there, the you go fast. The long description will be displayed when you find for the help. So each command, that means each command we need to create a new file here from the cmd. Later on, like for example, we need to compress the file. This is our next tutorial series, guys. Right now this is just a plain and simple installation on how we get to know about this Cobra and how to use this very powerful CLI application that we can use for our program. So right now, as you can see, you can have many applications that you can use for the CLI. Like you want to connect to your backend database there, then you need just create a simple command line interface, or you have your own logics to connect. Then you can use this CLI program. This is a very powerful one. You can connect to the internet, connect to your backend database there out there in the cloud, as I've used it. This is very powerful, guys. So right now, as you can see, we can display the application. But if you want to put some versioning, you can also disable this, because we don't need the main application, because we have so many commands that we can create. We can also put some versions, guys. There is a version for this Cobra command. As you can see, if you right click on this, then go to the definition. This is the good thing, guys, because you can see the definition there. You can see all the codes. This command, this struct, we call it the struct. This is the command, all the available commands for under this type command struct. Later on, guys, I will deal with you with these basics of Golang. Right now we are jumping into the advanced mode advanced mode first, because we want to finish this Golang projects. This is the Gokopy project, so that you have the advanced topic that we can discuss here. So this is a rough overview. You can see all these applications here, all these available commands that we can use. As you can see, the versions are there. Version is here. So right now I'm using the version. So version is just a string, so we can write like a string also. This is how you connect with the string in Golang. Like our CLI application, we also put something like it's up to you guys, whether like that or like this. It's up to you. So right now I just put like this, and then we can build again just to see what will happen. I need to clear all, and then go just plain go copy. Now we can see the default for our main application, guys. As you can see, the long description will be displayed by default. See, this is the Gokopy is the main thing. Okay, guys, so later on we will enhance this, and that's all for this topic, and see you again in our next discussion. So this Cobra is now totally working, but we need to enhance more here, put some commands. Then in our next tutorial series here in Maharlikans code.